see. She's so pretty.
Her name's Chloe.
Her name's Chloe, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to open this one.
All right.
It's an Ariel.
There.
I got her pencil.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, let's look.
Pencil with the horse.
That's right.
Look, his name's Max.
His name is Max.
Here, let's see. Oh, no, not yet. Wait.
Count it.
She won't come out
More
yet.
presents to open.
Here, you gotta get those other presents. Look behind you.
A few more.
And another one. I want to open this one.
All right.
All right, go for it.
This is a little piece. Ugh.
Wait, let me show you.
It's a
Luna does
box.
that. Look. Look in there.
Puppy.
Who's that puppy look like? Yeah, look at him.
Him.
Who's he look like?
What's his
Does he look
name?
like Ramsey?
Like Ramsey. What is this in here?
Let me see. That is his birth certificate. We have to name him. You
Ramsey.
want to name him Ramsey?
Yeah.
All right, put him back in. We'll look at our